Oh, it's so warm today. Either way, we are here in the Bicol province, and right behind us is Mount Mayon. And this is kind of spontaneous, but we are actually going to do this ATV trip. Oh, hello there, by the way. This is Darwin.
My name is Darwin, mayor.
Yes.
I'm the mayor here.
Yes. Yeah, I'll be careful. Now, the most common way to do these tours is that you use ATV, but I will be using this one here. A modified XRM. You see, it's added a cage here. This is going to be cool. You are a guide? Oh, yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. Actually, I only have waterproof shoes. Wow, Mayon is just so magnificent. It's just so big. It's almost perfectly conical shape. It's just a shame that there's a lot of clouds there. Either way, this is so much fun, this one here. The only problem is that the gearing is a little bit unusual for me. I mean, I know how to gear on semi-automatic, but you have a clutch and then you have to gear semi-automatic. It's kind of unusual. Also, I'm not really well dressed for a trip like this, but what can I do about it? Either way, let's go.
I don't mind if we fall apart, 'cause all the lights that shine on us tell me something more.
We're doing the green lava trip. It's probably the most popular one, as it's the one that allows you to get the closest to the root or the edge of Mount Mayon. I have to say, this is very nice trip.
Airborne po.
Airborne?
Airborne.
Airborne. Super cool hero. Tatay niya? Ay, tatay mo? Tatay mo?
Hindi po.
Oh. Sino?
My boss.
Oh. He's your boss? Oh. That's it's other way.
It's the tandem of and now he's the owner of.
Oh, okay.
He's the owner of the...
He's the owner of this one.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah. And then he is also again more experienced like you because you have a big motorcycle like that.
Yes. I need to practice more with Billy. I'm not so good. Ah, what a shame. Where's the volcano? We're not so lucky with the weather today actually. But
Nothing.
what are you going to say?
Yeah,
If you
actually what the locals say here. It's shy.
yeah, it's shy.
Yes.
It doesn't want to show itself for me. That's unfair. Either way, this is green lava, this area here. So and there's a lot of trails here actually. There's also black lava. What other trails are there?
Summit Trail at the halfway of Mayon.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. As high as can go the ATV.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. We call it Summit, ATV Summit.
Oh, okay. So there's a lot of routes you can go here, but we went with the green trail, and we will probably go with other trails next time we go here. And I will also use this one again, if it works.
We have
Don't break it, okay?
We have 2018 lava trail. We have 2009 black lava. It's level 2.
Oh.
Alert level 2. But it's okay.
Mount Mayon is still an active volcano, but it's kind of quiet now for now.
Yeah.
It's alert 2, but it has had a lot of eruption in the past, and a little bit. Wait, shh. Let me get further away. It has had a few eruptions in the past. The last big one was in the 19th century, where it kind of destroyed most of Legazpi, and also there's a ruin of a church further down called Cagsawa. Cagsawa, yeah, which we were supposed to see that first, but we kind of rushed with the ATV, so we will see that one later. And now it's time to go back on a little bit of a long trail, although it's mostly downhill, so it's not going to be much acceleration. I will conserve battery by not recording so much of it.
What are we fighting for? I can't do this no more. Heading towards the door. What are we fighting for? I can't do this no more. I think that we both know we're broken to the core. We're broken to the core. We're broken to the core. Broken to the core.
This one is super cool. So, if you know how to ride a dirt bike and I would like to try this one, a modified XRM, you should just contact.
Yes, Aaron, the owner
Aaron.
of that bike.
Yes,
Yes.
he's super cool. Happy birthday!
Thanks, sir.
Happy birthday!
Thank you po.
See you next time.
I'll see you next
Paalam.
Thank you, sir.
Bye bye. Yes, I got pretty wet from this trip. Well, the only difference is that unlike in Bohol, this was not muddy, so at least that's a little bit easier to clean. So yeah, I recommend you bring some change and also gloves for your hands, because when you grip on the throttle and the handbar, it could cause blisters if your hands are very soft, like what happened to May and a little bit to me on the side of my thumb.
Chocolates, pandan, mango. Ano po
Okay.
bestseller niya?
Bestseller.
Strawberry.
Strawberry. I want mango.
Okay.
So Bicol, or is it Bicol or Legazpi that is famous for chili ice cream?
Sili ice cream. Bicol.
Bicol. Okay, Bicol
Yeah.
as a whole. So
Bicol.
Bicol have this special ice cream,
Sili
which
ice
is
cream.
flavored with chili,
Chili.
so it's spicy. And as you
Yeah.
can see the spiciness level. Actually, Bicol as a whole is probably the region in Philippines that has the most spicy food.
Yeah.
So I want mango.
Mango.
This
That's
mango?
one mango.
Okay. Where's the
Strawberry.
spicy level 2?
Pandan.
Pandan? Okay, I want to try pandan instead.
Ako po strawberry.
Let's see if I can eat this.
Strawberry. Level 1. Sir, pili nuts.
First taste is tastes like banana. Oh,
Yes,
Manghang.
sir. Manghang, sir.
tastes exactly like buka and pandan, and then you have this sudden aftertaste, very spicy.
Aftertaste.
It's pretty interesting
Yeah.
actually.
Yes, ma'am. Pili nuts, ma'am. Sabi niya.
It's not super spicy. It kind of has a pleasant sting afterwards. And a little bit of, I mean, you know what the chili tastes like. It has a little bit of a chili flavor. You have to work.
And I don't mind if we fall apart.
Here you can see the Cagsawa, coconut. but this was destroyed in a volcanic eruption around 100 years ago. So this is all that is left of this once church. As you can see, Mayon is still very shy, hiding behind the clouds. So it's not very great sight, but nonetheless, it's interesting to see.
I can't do this no more. Heading towards the door. And what are we fighting for? I can't do this no more.
Honestly, pretty cool to stay in this old section here. I don't think this is mostly seen by a lot of people, so loud. Now this part I've actually never seen before in whenever people have visited here, so this is quite new to me. There's more to it than just the tower over here. Yeah, you see the tower there. So yeah, it's pretty interesting. I mean, this looks very old. It looks almost like it's from 500 years ago, so it's very cool to see. Even here there's a bit of volcanic ash. I mean, the whole area is full of ash.
I can't do this no more. I think that we both know.
There. Now it's visible. A little bit. But that's probably the best we've seen of it so far today. So now let's go to the next place to stay at.
Broken to the core.